Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So number 1, that is about 1 to the power of 3. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put 8 over s minus number 1, and we have bs plus c over s squared plus s plus 1, because the highest power that is about number 2. So on numerator we need to reduce by number 1, so we have number 2 minus number 1. That's why we have s, and later that we reduce the power to s to the power of number 0. That's why we have c. So we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s squared plus s plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s squared plus s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 1. So bs plus c multiplied by s minus number 1. Now we need to expand this one. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. About s squared we have a plus b. About s we have a minus b plus c. About the numbers we have a minus c. Now we need to compare coefficients. We don't have s in here, so this one a plus b, a minus b plus c equals to number 0. We have number 1, so a minus c equals to number 1. So a plus b equals to number 0. A minus b plus c equals to number 0. A minus c equals to number 1. And now we can find the solutions of ABC. So we have the solutions ABC. So we put ABC, go back in here. So 8 equal to 1 over 3. B equals to negative 1 over 3. C equal to negative number 2 over 3. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of s minus number 1. Now we need to focus on this one. So about s, that is about number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So number 1 I will put 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. This one, that is about identities, and we can put like this. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 1 over 12 equals to the square root of number 3 over number 2 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 3 over 4 tan t square, 3 over 4, 3 over 4. We can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by ds. Because we have s, so I will put 1 over 2 go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. S we change by this one. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 3 over 4 tan t square. Later that negative 1 over 3 multiplied by this one, and we have like this. We have the square root of number 3 over number 6 tan t, and the next one positive 1 over 6. So this one we can do about factorization by 3 over 4. And this one we change by secant of t square. This one we have negative 1 over 2. So secant of t square we simplified. This one divided by this one. We have number 2 with the square root of number 3 over number 3. So tan t, that is about sin t over cosine t. The integration of negative sin t over cosine t, that is about Fn of the absolute value of cosine t. This one, that is about t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide by the square root of number 3 over number 2. And now t equal to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.